वाटर डिस्पोजल, एक साफ पानी वेस्ट वाटर में कैसे तब्दील हो सकता है? इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ द ह्यूमन बींग्स. इट कैन बी डोमेस्टिक एक्टिविटी, एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटी, commercial or industrial activities, storm water, or it can be due to run of water. सीवेज में वाटर एक सिंपल पाइप के थ्रू पास हो रहा है, लेकिन ड्यू टू हैवी रेन sewage can get overflow and water comes on the ground. This can contaminate different areas and can be threatful regarding the health of the human beings. Now the constituents of wastewater, apart from water, it also includes pathogens. Pathogens are the microorganisms that cause diseases in living organisms. Then non-pathogens that are unable to cause disease in living organisms such as human beings, animals and plants. Then organic particles such as feces, urine, soluble organic particles such as food, inorganic particles such as sand. Then wastewater can also be composed of animals such as insects, small fish, protozoa, gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, hydrogen sulfide, emulsion such as paints, and even water can be contaminated with toxins produced by the microorganisms. Now this wastewater can be treated by different ways. For example, we can use different types of chemicals to kill pathogens and other sorts of things or the constituents of wastewater that are dangerous for the agriculture or for the industrial activities and even not beneficial for the health of the human beings. Then there are biological treatments such as aerobic treatment, anaerobic treatment to make the wastewater reusable. Then physical treatments are there for cleaning up the wastewater. अगर आप वेस्ट वाटर को ट्रीट कर लेते हैं तो ये वेस्ट वाटर हम रीयूज़ कर सकते हैं एग्रीकल्चर के लिए, इंडस्ट्रियल पर्पसेस के लिए एंड इवन फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. अगर आपका वाटर प्रॉपर्ली ट्रीट नहीं हुआ और यही वेस्ट वाटर आप एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए यूज़ कर लेते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल द वेस्ट वाटर इज़ कंटामिनेटेड विद पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड विद इंसेक्टिसाइड्स, then this may halt the growth of the fields. So this is how much it is dangerous for the agriculture activities or any other sort of domestic activities even.